Music. Welcome to my Dakota Central Internet review. Find all the links below. Today, we'll explore Dakota Central's key features, my personal experience, and if it's right for *Q*. Dakota Central delivers high-speed fiber internet to rural and suburban areas, with speeds from 100 megabits to a full gigabit. This makes them perfect for homes, home offices, and small businesses needing stable, fast connections for streaming, gaming, or video calls. My experience? Consistently reliable speeds, minimal downtime, and no slowdowns even during peak hours, essential for uninterrupted work and play. A huge advantage? Dakota Central focuses on rural areas often overlooked by larger providers. They deliver the speed and performance these areas need. Installation was quick and easy, and their customer support was fantastic. Pricing is competitive, with flexible plans to fit various needs and budgets. They offer great value and even have bundles for phone and TV. Important note, check their website to see if they service your area. Overall, Dakota Central is a strong choice for reliable high-speed internet in rural and suburban areas. Excellent speeds, dependable performance, and great customer service make them a solid option. Learn more in the description below. Thanks for watching.